Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a very special niche and I want you to pay close attention because this can change the way you look at YouTube. First of all, let me show you something amazing. This channel I discovered is 100% monetized. Yes, you heard that right. I actually found this channel after a lot of searching and guess what? It is fully monetized and already earning thousands of dollars every single month. So if you are worried about monetization, stop worrying right now. This channel uploads different types of cute animated videos, and just one video can reach thousands, even millions of views. Imagine the kind of income that brings in, and I know exactly what you are thinking. You also want to create videos like this, right? You want to enter this niche, make animated content, and build your own successful channel. But maybe you are still confused or worried about how to start. Well, do not worry, my friend, because I am here to guide you step by step. In this video, I will show you how these kinds of videos are made, how the niche works, and how you can start your own journey today. Stay tuned till the end, because I promise if you follow carefully, you can start building a channel that grows fast and earns real income. Now let us come into ChatGPT, and here's the fun part. All you need to do is simply paste the screenshot of the channel anywhere in your video as an example, just to show your viewers what type of content you are talking about. After that, you can write a simple request like this. Please provide me with this type of animated prompt, like cute birds sitting on a hand. Make sure the birds look extremely cute, soft, and realistic. Once you press enter, you will see the real magic happen. ChatGPT instantly gives you an amazing animated prompt that looks professional, highly detailed, and ready to use. The results are not just good, they are incredible. Full HD, super realistic, and so eye-catching that your audience will fall in love with them. This is exactly how creators are making these viral animated videos. With the right prompts, you can generate ultra-cute characters, realistic scenes, and professional quality visuals without needing to be an expert in animation. The best part is that everything looks polished and engaging, just like top creators in this niche. So remember, it is not about working harder. It is about working smarter. And with ChatGPT, you have the power to create beautiful, high-quality prompts in just seconds. Now let us move into the Canva app. Simply log in with your Gmail ID, and on the left-hand side, you will see a brand new option called Canva AI. Just click on this option, and the magic begins. Here is where it gets exciting. All you need to do is paste the prompt you got earlier, and within just a few seconds, yes, seconds, not minutes, Canva will generate 4 amazing, realistic, full HD animated pictures for you. It is totally mind-blowing. This is one of Canva's newest features, and trust me, everyone wants to know about it. The results are so professional that it feels like you are using an advanced animation tool. But the truth is, it is all happening right inside Canva with just a single click. The best part? Canva AI offers multiple style options. You can choose cinematic, 3D, cartoon, sketch, watercolor, and many more styles to make your images look unique and perfectly matched to your niche. And if you click Generate again, Canva will create a whole new set of amazing pictures for you, each one fresh, different, and eye-catching. This means you can create unlimited, high-quality, viral-ready content in minutes without needing any design skills. Whether you are making animated videos, YouTube thumbnails, or even short viral reels, Canva AI gives you the creative power to make everything look polished and professional. So, if you are serious about growing your channel or brand, this feature is a total game changer. Now let us come into the CapCut Pro version. And believe me, nobody is showing you this kind of video before. CapCut already has so many powerful features, but recently it launched a brand new feature that changes everything. AI video generation. Just click on it and a new window will open. Here you can import your picture, add your prompt, and then select from the available models. CapCut currently offers 3 models, but I personally love using Video 2.0 because it gives the most realistic results. Next, simply adjust the duration of your video and choose your aspect ratio, whether it is 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts, or square for social media. Once your settings are ready, just click on Generate. And within just a few seconds, yes, seconds, not minutes, boom, CapCut will generate an incredible, animated, full HD, ultra-realistic video for you. The best part? There is absolutely no need to enhance or edit the quality. Afterward, it comes out already looking professional, sharp, and stunning, like something straight out of a high-budget animation studio. And here is where it gets even more exciting. You can try it again and again. Upload another picture, tweak the settings, click generate, and boom, once more. Each time, CapCut creates another beautiful, realistic, full HD animated video. No complicated editing, no extra software, everything is done right here in CapCut. Kept testing it again and again, and every single time the results blew me away. Smooth, clear, full HD, and completely realistic. It feels like magic, but it is real AI power in your hands. So stop wasting time on difficult editing tools. With CapCut Pro AI Video, you can create viral-ready professional animations in just seconds. Try it once, and you will not believe your eyes. Thank you for watching, and do not forget, this is just the beginning. The future of content creation is here, and it is all powered by AI.